Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me, say she feeling them. Ain't worth a mile, it's a million them. Say baby, I. Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me, say she killing them. Mine worth a die, yeah, she killing them. Say baby, I.
Ah yes, welcome to another day in the beautiful island of Jamaica, where we observe Lexi. I hear she has an important responsibility today, so before she went off to pretend she's cultured and artsy, she did the most Jamaican thing ever. She went to her mother's house for breakfast. For free, of course. The full works, because if you're going to walk around downtown Kingston in the sun, you better start with a belly full of love and seasoned food. Now, before we go on the actual culture tour, we got a mini tour of the Kingston Creative Co-working Space. Yes, right here in downtown. It's giving WeWork, but way more flavor. Whether you're a creative, an entrepreneur, a freelance genius, or just tired of fighting for Wi-Fi at Starbucks, this space is a game changer. Fast Wi-Fi, meeting rooms, private booths for Zoom calls. Listen, this is where dreams, side hustles, and big things are born.
The collection that they have, you just get that feeling of being in an art-centered space in downtown.
Now it was time to do something influencery, you know, culture, art, vibes, and maybe a little content for the gram. We went on the Kingston Creative Art Walk Tour. First stop, Trenchtown Ceramic Center.
So this gentleman, Garfield Williams, he saw the need to once again use art. So without further ado, we're going to take a 10 to 15 minutes walk through, get to speak with him a bit more, any questions you have about his work, about his wife, and how the community, how his ceramic center has changed the community.
If you've ever thought, wow, I could totally make my own mug, well, spoiler alert, it's way harder than it looks.
They can be the man behind the vision and the man with a mission.
Welcome to the Trenchtown Art Center. My mission is to what you see here and to give back to the community and help, you know, who needs help. If they want to work, I'm easy on that, you know what I mean? I give thanks to Kingston Creative also for, you know, highlighting me, bringing persons around and making this energy like possible. Yeah.
But the craftsmanship here, insane. Real Jamaican talent, real clay, and none of that made in China nonsense. The artists here are shaping culture literally with their hands.
They're hearing about this place. And they want to come see, they want to come experience something. Not the art center, you know, it's Trenchtown on a whole. So respect you all for, you know, making a move, making a step, even saying, I want to come to here.
Thanks again for all that you're doing, and sadly we are pressed for time.
I have a notice board there, I have information on the back, my numbers there. Yeah, I'm good on WhatsApp, but everything else, it takes a while for me to get there. Instagram, IG. The telephone number is 876-502-3368. My email is trenchtownvibes@gmail.com. Sometimes I take a while to get to it, but it's still.
A papa boy living yard man. Yard man thing, it's a yard man thing. We can't show you what the yard man. Yard man thing, it's a yard man thing. A papa boy living yard man. Yard man thing, it's a yard man thing. Me can't show you what the yard man. Yeah. Yeah, me say no problem. Me say no qualms on. Right. Every other day, me a day with.
Next up, Fleet Street, aka the place where paint meets purpose. The Paint Jamaica murals are basically a giant outdoor mood board. Every wall has a story, and every corner is giving photo shoot location. It's art with purpose, and the whole vibe is just chef's kiss.
So this place is known as the first place that had the murals brought the murals in downtown. Artists over here who did most of the work here, Matt McCarthy and a young lady named Mariana Pregu. They started the whole movement, getting young muralists from here, and actually tried to teach the youth how to, well, you know, live in society, grow up, love your neighbors, that kind of stuff. You have the education one over there that is done by Taj Francis.
Creative has been able to facilitate artists being sent overseas to produce artworks across the globe, send artists to South Africa, Cairo. We are here as an engine to ensure that creatives know that their creativity is not, is never to be taken for granted, and that it is a job and it should be paid job as your passion as well.
Say baby, I got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she killing them.
Hi guys, so we are at the ever famous Fleet Street. I remember when I used to come here to take pictures as a content creator. We are out here. Hey, Lexi. Oh gosh, look, yeah, I remember when we first came here, when they were doing it, and the place was so vibrant. So I was like, oh my god, this is an amazing initiative. Shout out to Mariana, she's gone now. She was Mariana's Kitchen, as the tour guide said. She and Matthew McCartney, they were the brainchild of this whole initiative. So, guys, it's still up and running. I love it. I'm happy to see it. It's nice though.
Oh baby, tell me say she killing them. Mine worth a die, yeah, she killing them. Say baby, I.
Then it was on to Water Lane, where we got a sneak peek into the future. I'm talking augmented reality murals. Yeah, you point your phone at a wall and boom, art comes alive. Literally.
So these are some of the newest murals actually along Water Lane. Some of these were just unveiled in this last year. Who believe in the mission of downtown Kingston, believe in the mission of Kingston Creative, to make downtown a place of transformation and a place for Jamaican people.
Some of my mentors, as I was growing up, I art that I always watch and, you know, always inspire me. Brother Lennox Cope, everywhere too. That people. Like 2 months, come and have fun.
Guys, so last stop we are at Water Lane. We were just looking at the murals within the alleyway and they really hit down. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, everything is so vibrant. It is
And just like that, our mini cultural expedition came to an end. Art, culture, future tech, and a space to build your empire, all in the heart of Kingston. Short, yes, but full of stories, textures, and art that actually made us feel something, other than just hot and hungry. So the next time you hear someone say, "Nothing's going on downtown," kindly take them here. Kingston Creative Art Walk.
It was so good. Like, I don't even want to hide and chat. It was so good. So when you see this video, make sure that you guys support what they're doing, the initiatives they're doing for creatives. Creatives in Jamaica need that extra push and that extra encouragement. they need the motivation to do great things and stay in Jamaica, because you know how the things set. Jamaican creative industry needs work, but they have come a far way and we are here to see it. So guys, catch back.